What I would do is to urge Congress to restore the death penalty by hanging. Either you kill me or I will kill you.
I am for the drug war, but not the killings. Kill drugs, not people.
Must be death. Rape plus death ang sa victim must be death penalty. Kidnapping tapos with ransom, pinatay ninyo, must be death penalty. Robbery with homicide with rape, double the hanging. There is 3 million, there's a 3 million drug addict. I'd be happy to slaughter them.
Bigyan nila ng pagkakataon na magbago. Kaya kung talagang mapatunayan, hindi kulong nila. Hindi yung babarilin nila na parang ano lang. Isa lang naman ang buhay natin ng tao eh. Bigyan nila ng pagkakataon na magbago.
Sa ating panahon, kapansin-pansin ang paglaganap ng kultura ng karahasan, a culture of violence. Nakalulungkot pong makita, minsan nakakaiyak, na parang natural na lamang o parang ordinaryo at natural na lamang ang marahas na salita, marahas na tingin, katatalas ng tingin, marahas na ugali, marahas na kilos. Naniniwala tayo, hindi mapupugsa ang karahasan ng kapwa karahasan. Kapag ang tugon sa karahasan ay karahasan din, na doble ang karahasan. Hindi dapat dinodoble o pinalalaganap ang karahasan. Ito ay tinutumbasan ng non-violence. Ang lakas ng pagmamahalan ang siyang pipigil sa nakamamatay na karahasan. Lakas, hindi dahas. Lakas, hindi dahas.
The Golden Rule also reminds us of our responsibility to protect and defend human life at every stage of its development. That has led me from the beginning of my ministry to advocate at different levels the global abolition of the death penalty. But I also offer encouragement to all those who are convinced that a just and necessary punishment must never exclude the dimension of hope and the goal of rehabilitation.
We are here to pray for the President. It is a virtuous act to pray for those who govern us. We are praying for him because he needs enlightenment and courage. The situation of our country is worsening with every passing day. Like Peter, we cry to the Lord and shout, we are sinking. I do not only refer to the economy or to politics. I refer rather to our moral fiber, especially of our youth. Ayaw namin ang leader na gustong magtagumpay, subalit walang pananagutan. Mr. President, I am inviting you to return to the grace of God. We are praying for you. The presidency is not good for you because you are not capable to run this country. It is a temptation for you, an occasion of sin. Resignation will be good for your soul. What will it profit a man if he holds the highest position but suffers the loss of his soul?